Yeah, welcome back, netizen, to this particular series of tutorial on practical application of C language. My name is Chris Dalagnoid, and this is tutorial for netizen. In our last tutorial, which is our 14th tutorial, we talk about how to move a file from one particular directory to another. And in this particular tutorial, which is our 15th tutorial, sorry, the other one was 14th tutorial. This is our 15th tutorial. We are going to talk about how we can list out a directories, or how we can list out directories and files using C language. It's just as simple as anything. So let's move on to what we have. Let's come here and create a particular, let's say, list all.c, and here we are going to include the two particular library. Let's include first our sdio h. Then we are going to include one directory which is very, very important. We are going to, the name is dirent.h, and is this not correct? Why is it giving an error? Okay, sorry, I wrote include instead of include. Okay, now let's come and define our int main function. Let's come and define our int main function here, and inside here we are going to declare our directory, and we see directory. Okay, we're going to use the directory using structs with our directory we declared at the top, and we are going to say entry. Okay, let's actually go and do what is here. What is here indicates that's using our directory to make an open directory. This actually is going to open the, actually it's going to list the files and folders on this our current working directory. That's what this thing means. Using the directory to make this open there function or method here is going to list all the files and folders inside this particular working directory. Actually, let's do it first. If it goes fine, we then go and do the particular ones we are going to use to list in other folders. Let's just say if, the directory equals null. So if this is equals null, let's print f this directory let's just see, let's find a better message, because anything we are going to do here we have to be finding a better message so that we can describe our error opening directories, or error listing directories. Actually, it's not only directories that it lists, it's list files. That means we are going to come and say files and directories. Sorry for wasting time. Okay, we just say return 1. I return true. So we come down here and see while that this while loop is trying to loop through the that particular folder and get the list of all. Without the while loop, it can't get all. If you omit the while loop, it can get only, let me say, 1. out of the directories, but while loop helps to loop through the particular folder to get almost all the directories, whether physical or hidden. So one thing about this particular program is that it lists both hidden directories and unhidden directories. Okay, let's just say entry direct, and we declare our directory variable here, and here we are going to say if not no, if not equal no, then we are going to print f. Yes, sorry, I think I'm making a mistake. Why this is not this? Okay, I think let's just try it out. Sorry, else let's say entry, then it's going to, this thing actually is going to get the name of the directory. If you want to get the type, you can use d underscore type of the directory. As it will tell you whether it's a folder or not a folder, or it will tell you whether this thing is a Python file, whether it's this, whether it's that. That's what the function of this d name. D name actually is going to list the name of the directory. D type tell you the type of file or type of folder it is. Okay, let's come here and say if close there. As we are trying to check whether the directory is closed. Then we put in a directory variable here and say equals -1. Okay, sorry, I'm having an issue with my keyboard. That's why my typing is slow, but I'm trying to use this thing to resolve it. Actually, I'm in a next tutorial. You're not going to find it like this in our next tutorial. That's a promise to you. Okay, let's see error. If the program did not close, we see error closing directory. Then we see return 1. We come down here and do our normal return, and we say 0. Let's just save this thing and run it. Let's know what will actually happen. Without anything will actually happen here. Come here, run. Okay, actually everything here in our directory. Okay, let me just make this in very little more clear. Let me come here. Where? Think here. Let me come here and put on this particular. Okay, let me just clear this and run it. That's putting a line break. Run it. You discover everything will just go in a line here, and everything we have in this directory has been listed already. You can see code C, others, and this is actually the subdirectories. I mean the ones that it cannot actually list. If you look down here, so this is our current working directory. What if you want to list in other directories like our desktop? Let's come here and click on the desktop. What if you want to actually list all the files and folders in this directory? The first, what you have to do is just come here, come here, click on click on this particular folder and click on the property, copy this come here and put it inside this place. And when you put it, make sure you change this thing so that it will be in a right slash, and I will say desktop. Save this thing. When I save it now and run it, automatically everything inside that will just be listed. C language, chris.py, all those. If you come to our directories, we have all these things here. So you can put as much or anything or any part you want. Just go there, right click on the property, copy the file, come here and paste it, and make sure it's very well arranged based on the file path. So that's how you can list a files in a directory. Make sure you understand this here very well, especially by playing with the D types. All those D types is very important, because it's actually we're going to actually apply it when we are going to check through our directories, when we are going to create an antivirus. It's going to be very applicable. So make sure you understand it, and if you have any question, put it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell to be receiving our tutorial. This is still Netizen. Thank you.